Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make this beautiful paper quilt finger ring. So let's begin. The things you need are some paper quilling strips and glue. Now I have taken two strips of a light color. Now I have taken a bluish white color. I have joined two strips. Now put some glue at one end. Now roll this around a circular object. Now tighten this. Stick the other end. Now put glue on this side. Smudge it. Do it on the opposite side and let it dry. Now I have joined a strip of the bluish white color with half a strip of orange color. Now I will roll this. And glue the end. Now I'll press this and make it round. Put glue inside. Now take the ring you had made and find the end where the strip has ended. Now place this at that end. Use some more glue if required. Your finger ring is ready to wear. So it has dried now. You can wear it. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave your comment below, like my channel and subscribe to it for more interesting videos and creative works. Thank you for watching.